First of all, you have to transfer the presets in DNG format to your mobile phone. I use Google Drive on my phone, but you can use Dropbox or any other transfer method. Open Google Drive, enter the presets folder, and then select all the presets and download them to your phone. Once this is done, open Lightroom and press the Add Image on the bottom right. Select the 4 images you just imported and press Add. Wait a few seconds for the import process to finish and click All Photos. Now, click on one of the preset images. Once the image is loaded, click on the 3 dots on the top right and select Create Preset. Name the preset with the correct name and click on the top right button to save. You can now repeat the process for all the presets in the folder. Once you imported the presets, you can use them in your images by selecting Presets from the bottom menu and selecting User Presets. Click on the presets to see a preview of the effect, and when you're happy with the result, apply the effect.